Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Subaru key fob battery. The battery you will need CR2032, very common one. You can click on the link below to get it online. That's it. First thing we do, we have to make sure that we take the emergency key out. As you probably know, you push this button right here and then you take the emergency key out. This is an uncut one, you can see. It's just a blank key, but you will have something similar probably, just someone cut it before. Anyway, second thing we do, and I'll get closer. This is important because you see this piece of metal right here, the silver one, the small one. What we do, we put the screwdriver right next to it and we turn clockwise, okay? Once again. Clockwise, okay? And then you will see that the cover, you can separate the cover, okay? Now we have these two pieces. Now this is important because, excuse me, this piece right here, you will probably have trouble with, okay? It will probably go out, okay? Don't get nervous. All you have to do is just to remember how to put it back in. And let's say that the square, this one right here, should be at 9 o'clock, okay? This is where you push the button to take the emergency key out. So don't worry about it, it can be a little bit annoying, but I will show you how to do it when we put it back in. Anyway, the battery, what we do right here, there is some space, you put the screwdriver in between, underneath, and the battery comes out, okay? Once again, right here. Stick it inside and we're good to go. Okay, battery, as I said, CR2032. To put it back in, do it gently. Make sure that you put it in the right position and push it back. Now, this is the electronics. Don't touch that. Okay, I just do it to show you. And once we put it back in, by the way, we can see that the remote works. Okay, all right. Now, this piece that you will probably have some trouble with, if not, even better, just make sure that you put it, as I said, 9 o'clock, and then you take the cover, okay, and gently. There we go. Of course, make sure that the battery, everything works, and you're good to go. Put back the emergency key, and no need to reprogram the remote or anything like that. Just play with it. That's it.